Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mentority. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore. How to research on any topic, using the power of free AI tools. I'm Vinay, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this process. But before we dive in, if you enjoy tech and AI content, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. Overview of AI and research. AI has evolved from a simple chat tool during the 2000s, to extensive research and text generation tool in the year 2024. Now, there are many advanced AI tools, like ChatGPT and Bard that can respond to any simple or complex research queries. However, if you are a student, avoid the direct use of such AI tools in your research papers. Refrain from directly copying and pasting the content generated by the AI tools into your research paper, essay, or article. Most reputable universities prohibit the direct use of any kind of AI tool in research papers. In fact, you can use these AI tools to conduct detailed research or facilitate brainstorming. Let's understand how AI can revolutionize your research process. Artificial intelligence can assist in data analysis, content curation, and even generate insights, making your research more efficient and effective. Using DIF, define, evaluate, iterate, and finalize, for research. It becomes easy to carry out research using AI tools. However, you must adopt a distinct approach to conduct any research using AI tools, like ChatGPT or Bard. These AI tools simply follow your prompts, so you must know how to employ the best strategy or approach when using prompts for conducting research with AI tools. The best research approach in this case is DIF, define, evaluate, iterate, and finalize. The following are the steps of this approach. Define. Define is the very first stage of the researching process, where you define the objectives of your research. Analyze the research topic, and gather different questions that you must ask ChatGPT to carry out your research. For instance, suppose that you want to carry out research on a topic: how VR headsets are changing the market conditions. Then, you can use following prompt. I want to write a research paper on how VR headsets are changing the market conditions. Can you provide me a few suggestions on this topic? ChatGPT will provide you with the format of your research paper. Evaluate. In the next step of the evaluation, your task is to assess the responses provided by ChatGPT on your own. Read the responses carefully, and try to identify any additional topics you need to add. Ask ChatGPT for further suggestions on the research topic. Remember, your evaluation process will have different steps, depending on the reply provided by ChatGPT. Use following prompt to engage with ChatGPT. You have provided a nice format of my research paper. How about adding how VR headsets are changing medical fields, adding more flexibility in surgery and diagnosis? ChatGPT will provide you with suggestions on the topic, and ideas on how you can incorporate them into your existing research paper. Iterate and refine. Now it's time to iterate and refine. Remember, your iteration and refining process will have different steps, depending on the reply provided by ChatGPT. I have realized during this step that ChatGPT has given me too many headings for the research paper. So, I use the following prompt for iteration and refining my final research paper. ChatGPT, you have provided me with a nice format for my research paper. However, I want to keep it short and accurate. Is there any topic you provided in the earlier query that I can exclude from introduction up to conclusion? So, your iteration steps could include either adding a few more headings, removing some, or making other adjustments based on the replies. Finalize. Once you have a well-structured format for your research paper, it's time to finalize it. Pose a few additional questions related to your research with ChatGPT, and then create a preliminary draft of your paper. You can apply the DIF approach to conduct thorough and effective research, whether it's extensive or straightforward. Different AI tools for research. ChatGPT is a top free AI tool for your research. However, it has a few limitations that render it unreliable for any kind of research. The following are other AI tools for research. Bard. ChatGPT is a great AI tool for conducting research. However, if you need to research current affairs or the latest topics, then ChatGPT might not be your best choice. ChatGPT's language model was last updated in January 2023, so it cannot provide research on the latest news and updates. Bard is a better option in such cases, because it uses Google and an updated language model to provide you with the latest information. Therefore, it is the best choice for researching current affairs and the latest news. Space. ChatGPT is the best tool for carrying out research. Bard is also a great tool in case you need to research updated news. You can also use Space, a new AI research tool available on the internet. It will provide you with all the research papers relevant to your topic when you ask any question about the research. It is the best tool for conducting in-depth research. Space isn't just another research website, it's an AI-powered research assistant. Gone are the days of drowning in papers and dense jargon. Claude.ai. Another essential AI research tool for every researcher is Claude.ai. Although Claude.ai is almost similar to ChatGPT, one of its features makes it the best choice for researchers in many cases. Claude allows its users to upload a large PDF research file for analysis. You can directly ask questions related to that research while uploading its PDF file, or simply ask Claude to summarize the whole research paper in a few words. You can also fetch relevant information from that research paper using Claude. It is also the best tool for writing annotated bibliographies. Just upload the research paper's PDF and ask Claude to write a short annotated bibliography for that paper. And there you have it, a guide on how to research on any topic using AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more tech and AI content.